Hey guys, this is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. So guys, now these days this kind of rolling primer is all over in the internet, and I was very excited to try this kind of primer. But this is an international brand, guys. But don't worry, our Indian brand Kiro have launched their just rolling primer, and guys, it comes in this kind of roller packaging. Here you can see the roller, I hope so. Yeah. And guys, this is a Kiro just rolling face sculpting primer with collagen and niacinamide. And first time I'm going to try this primer with you guys. So yeah, let's start the video. And if you guys watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the Kiro Just Rolling Face Sculpting Primer with collagen and niacinamide, and it comes in this kind of basic cardboard packaging. It retails for 11.20 for 30 grams of product, and this is 100% vegan, cruelty free and no parabens product. And that is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes with a roller tip applicator, and that is how the applicator looks like. You have to twist it like this. Here is a on and off sign, and yeah, you are ready to go. And guys, that is how the product looks like. It's a clear, colorless, gel-like primer. So guys, now I'm going to apply this product. I'm going to apply this product on this side of my face. As the application is very interesting, तो देखते हैं कि roller से कैसे इसको blend कर सकते हैं. So yeah, this is oops. So this is on now, and I hope you can see that gel-like thing. A lot of product. Yeah, the application is fun, but I think इसे नहीं हो पाएगा, हाथ से ही करना पड़ेगा. So guys, that is how it looks right after the application, and yeah, this side my primer is on, and there is no primer in this side. This side feels very soft, hydrated, moisturized, and I feel it's a good base for my makeup. But guys, I don't think it has any grip, no. And also my pores are still visible, so it's a very soft, gentle primer, I guess. Now I'm going to apply the foundation on the top of it just to look at the finish. So yeah, let's apply the foundation. So guys, now I'm applying the foundation, and I'm applying the foundation from the same brand, and I got this foundation few months ago as a PR, and yeah, I'm not going to apply too much of product. एप्लीकेशन बहुत ही गंदा करती हूँ, पता है मुझे, बट स्टिल. So guys, that is how my foundation looks on the top of this primer. You can see, I don't know camera can capture or not, but this side looks little hydrated, plumpy kind of thing, whereas this side looks little matte. शीशे में देख पा रही हूँ कि इस साइड थोड़ा थोड़ा सा हाइड्रेटेड ग्लॉसी ग्लॉसी लग रहा है, बट दिस साइड थोड़ा सा मैट लग रहा है. एंड गाइज और एक थिंग कि दिस प्राइमर can't fill up my pores or can't hide my fine lines. ऐसा ये प्राइमर बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया, बट हाँ वो थोड़ा सा एक ग्लो दे रहा है जो मैं देख पा रही हूँ बस. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज this foundation sets well on the top of this primer. So sometimes क्या होता है कि प्राइमर के ऊपर फाउंडेशन लगाओ तो वो थोड़ा सा क्रैक हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा क्रैकी लगता है, बट इन दिस केस ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. फाउंडेशन तो अच्छे से बैठ गया है. So guys, that is all about the application. Now let's talk about the product. And as you can see, I have done my makeup, and guys, everything like my blush, my contour, highlighter, everything sets very well on the top of this primer. Guys, it's a very lightweight hydrated primer. It feels very my skin feels very plumpy, hydrated, moisturized. ये feelings जो है actually अच्छा लग रहा है. But guys, I feel this is a fun product. Okay, like that application of the primer with the roller, it's a fun. बट अगर आपको रियली इसको ब्लेंड करना है तो आपको अपना फिंगर्स यूज़ करना ही पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज ये ब्लेंड नहीं होगा. एंड गाइज, इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, the result you get from this product, like that hydrated plumpy effect, there are a lot of good skincare products which do exactly the same. Okay, like अगर आप अच्छे से स्किन प्रेप करके, स्किन केयर करके मेकअप करना स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपको सेम ही रिजल्ट मिलेगा. सो आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड दिस. एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज़ फॉर 1120, विच इज़ कॉस्टली प्रोडक्ट. ये कॉस्टली प्रोडक्ट है, तो अगर आपको कोई फन मेकअप प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो यू कैन बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट. और अगर आपको सिर्फ रिजल्ट के ऊपर फोकस करना है तो गाइज हम लोगों के पास बहुत अफोर्डेबल स्किन केयर ऑप्शंस है टू गेट दैट सेम फिनिश, सेम रिजल्ट. देन डोंट गो फॉर दिस वन. And guys, I thought to share one more thing about this product, that you can see the roller part and the product is there. And guys, you have to clean this roller part every time after use, otherwise यहाँ पे बहुत सारा ऑर्गेनिज्म ग्रो कर जाएगा and आपको स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स भी हो सकती है. And yes, this is my review about this product. Let me know how do you feel about this product. And yes, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And guys, follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.